third page. We are just flying through this stuff today. Alright, so at the top here is the Culver's application. I love Culver's, I eat there quite a bit, and it's a fantastic quick service restaurant. GIFage is my favorite GIF finding app. If I ever post a GIF on Twitter, it's usually from GIFage or GIFage, depending on how you pronounce it. I'm still 100% on the GIF train, it's definitely how you pronounce it. There's just a bunch of random GIFs here. You can search or look at trending GIFs categories. You can see all the GIFs that I've particularly liked. A lot of these make zero sense, but that's the fun to GIFs in the first place. All right, moving on, we have Crossy Road, which is just a very fun game I like to play. Facebook Paper, I don't really use anymore, I'm gonna be honest. So let's get rid of that. I tried to screen this so I wouldn't delete a bunch of random apps as I'm going through these, but I don't know, I never use Facebook Paper anymore. It hasn't been updated in quite a bit. Shazam allows me to identify the tune of a song that might be currently playing in the background. Use that quite a bit if there's a cool song on the radio that I haven't heard via Apple Music yet. Google Analytics allows me to track the analytics for web traffic on iUpdateOS.com, which is super nice. TestFlight allows me to currently take a look at all the applications that I'm currently beta testing. Geekbench 3, of course, allows me to run a processor benchmark on my iPhone. We can view a previous one very quickly. So the iPhone 6s, as you can see, is ridiculously powerful, which is one of my favorite things about it. Vine allows me to share 6-second videos with all of you out there. You can follow me at iUpdateOS once again. Dropbox, of course, is a cloud storage application. I use it constantly to transfer files from here to my iMac, to my MacBook, to my iPad. It works very well, and I think it's still my favorite cloud storage or really wireless storage app out there. Skyward allows me to check grades through my school that I go to. Badland is a beautifully designed iOS game that I play every once in a while. If there's ever a new feature on the Twitter application that's not on Tweetbot yet, I'll sometimes head over to this application in order to check it out, but I really don't open it all that much, maybe once a month-ish, if that at all. Here is Clash Royale. I just did a game review on this. It's my favorite iOS game out as of right now. WordPress allows me to manage my site from my phone. The WordPress app right here allows me to manage my site straight from my phone or my iPad. Works pretty well for what it is. GroupMe is, of course, a alternate messaging service. I don't love the app, it's not something that I really enjoy using, but if you ever have a massive group chat, GroupMe is probably the best way to go. Clash of Clans is made by the same makers of Clash Royale. I play that occasionally, not all the time though. Facebook Pages is extremely handy because it allows me to post to the iUpdateOS Facebook page straight from here. It works pretty well. I run into some issues with it every once in a while, and I don't think it's the best designed application ever, but it works not half bad. I don't have that much to complain or say about it. It's a pretty good app overall, and I use it all the time. My Verizon allows me to check my data usage because my phone does have cell service through Verizon. The remote application allows me to control my Apple TV. Pixelmator allows me to create some images for my iPhone. It's definitely not the easiest to use on an iPhone. I would highly recommend getting Pixelmator for the Mac or on my iPad. It works great there, but if I ever need to create a super quick image for whatever reason to post on Twitter or maybe stick in a video somewhere and I only have my iPhone, Pixelmator is my way to go. Cold Open allows me to track some of my favorite TV shows, and you can see what I'm interested in right now. New House of Cards season starting out very strong already, thoroughly enjoying that. Walking Dead, fantastic. Narcos, a Netflix original, fantastic. Making a Murder, it's okay. Better Call Saul, I really enjoy. Daredevil, cannot wait, just a week until the second season for that. Netflix is killing it with their originals lately for sure. And then right here is the Star Wars Battlefront companion app. This is for an Xbox game that I sometimes play. We're moving on to the fourth and final page now. Up at the top is the stock weather application.